Great Britain is a nation full of shopkeepers, someone once said. Aye, that's us, from the high street, pavement, to the sanctum of a shed. We create, we strive, we innovate and mend. Click, tick, ring, pack, then send. Take it from us, it's no insult. We're proud to be at your service. With a smile, even when times are tough. That's how we do business. Butcher, baker, the latest trend creator. Delicious, awesome, breathtaking, memory maker. We're entrepreneurs, we're mums, dads, a son, a daughter. We'll give it our all, without a fuss. Well, sorta. Do something you love, do something that makes you want to shout it out loud. Evolve online with us. EKM.com. British and proud.